In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new Hotmail folder. Hotmail is now part of Outlook.com, so we'll be using the Outlook web interface. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to the Outlook sign-in page. Click Sign In and choose your existing account when prompted. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly in your inbox. If not, complete the usual sign-in steps and you'll be taken to your mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left side of the screen for the folder pane. This is where you'll see Inbox, Sent Items, and any other folders you already have. If you don't see this pane, try expanding your browser window or look for a small arrow to reveal the folders list. To create a new folder, find the three-dot menu near the top of the folders area, above your inbox or next to the folder's header. Click that three-dot icon to open the Options menu, then choose Create New Folder. This is the quickest way in the web version of Outlook to add a fresh place to organize your messages. There's also an alternative way that many people find convenient. Simply right-click in the folders area on the left. In the menu that appears, click Create Folder. Both methods lead to the same result, so use whichever one you prefer. You'll now see an empty name field appear in the folders list, ready for you to type. Enter a clear, memorable name for your folder, something that describes the emails you plan to store there. Short, specific names are best for quick scanning later. When you've typed the name, confirm it by clicking the small check mark that appears next to the field. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing Enter does the same thing. Outlook will save the new folder instantly. After the folder is created, it will appear in your folders list. Depending on your view, it might show up alphabetically or near the bottom of the list at first. Go ahead and click the newly created folder to open it. This confirms it's ready to use and gives you a blank workspace for organizing related emails. If you don't see the folder immediately, try expanding collapse sections in the folder pane or briefly refresh the page. From here, you can begin moving messages into the folder to keep your inbox organized. That's all there is to it. Simple, quick, and a big help for keeping your email tidy.